The JDH28 valve guide driver is engineered to ensure accurate installation of valve guides and detent cam pins, ensuring proper alignment and smooth SCV operation. Designed to deliver controlled, centered force, this tool eliminates the risk of component distortion, binding, or premature wear caused by improper installation. Whether you're servicing hydraulic valves or rebuilding SCV assemblies, precision and repeatability are critical. Built for professional technicians, the JDH28 ensures reliable performance and long-term system integrity. Buy now at apexins.com. Apex Tools, built for real technicians.